Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I'm here to show you some baking ware, my bakeware. And this one here is a fat Daddio. It is, I think it says about 7 inches across. 7 inches across going this way, and it's 3 inches this way. So it can make a nice cake, and it fits in those appliances that, you know, our lovely appliances that we want to bake in, other than the regular stove. It'll fit in those kind of appliances. And then we have the old-fashioned one, the old 9-inch round pan. And I think this is probably about 1.5 inches. It's not really 2 inches, I don't believe. Maybe 1.5 inches, which will make you a nice layer cake. The 2 of them or 3 of them can make you a nice layer cake. So, of course, this one I use a lot. As you can see, I use it with cornbread, and I do all kinds of other things with it. But this one is a little deeper. So it's because it's 3 inches. So you could make a cake with this, and the cake would look about this high when you make a 2-layer cake like this. You can do it though, and you can put it in a regular oven, or you can put it in one of our appliances, a Ninja or Instant Pot or whatever you have, and it'll fit fine. And it also fits in your regular oven. But I wanted to show you 2 more different kinds of bakeware that you may be interested in. The holidays are coming. You might be interested in one of these.